At this point, we have 1, 2, 3. At this point here, people will be thinking that this is a regular flat again. At this point, regular flat and then up. We said no. We can see one more drop to take liquidity before the next up wave. Why? Because all the people, all the traders who trade with the trend, who trade with the buy stops, which means this what most of retail traders who trade with the trend will do. All right, I would say a big group of them. They put buy stop here and they will say, you know what? If market will go to the upside, I'll be in this trade and then I'll ride this move. Once the market will tag them in here with a buy stop, what they will do, they'll put stop loss under this low. And that's exactly where the market makers will take them out here. So look at this. We have high, we have a higher low at this point. And if they put buy stop here to get in this trade to the upside, this way they'll be taken out. It's logic, guys. It's all about logic, understanding liquidity, understanding market makers framework. Of course, we don't have any magic balls, but actually the thing is, for this one, we know how market moves. And mastering wave analysis is all about mastering the math psychology of all market participants. And that's something you can read it from here. You don't need any indicator. You don't need anyone to tell you what's happening behind the scene. You need to master the art of reading the charts using weighted waves, wave analysis concept. This is something we can teach you inside WW Pro membership. Make sense? So for this one, I'll prove for what you are talking here. Of course, look at this one. I'll go now to the Discord and I'll go to one of the sessions, which was this one. So this session was covered by Kishore on last Thursday. Okay. So which was what? 3 days ago. Okay. And this one, look what Kishore was saying to the members who were attending this session. And this was the chat, by the way. People can ask about the chart. So look at this one. This Kishore, by the way, is one of our seniors who is doing the real life sessions with the rest as well. Look at this one.
This is going down sharp from here. That's going down sharp. So let's see what it does. But overall, I think I was looking for this, a corrective structure, one more up, and then maybe from somewhere around this level here. If it gets to that level with a clear corrective pattern, then I'll be looking for sell. Otherwise, I think it'll break the top.
So guys, look at this one. This was 1 hour session again regarding this one, and Kishore we're expecting one more drop here before the next up wave. All right. So if you go to the chart, just to show you the after, look at this one. One more drop here before the next up wave. And again, guys, you can make money trading this one, you can make money trading this one, and you can make money trading this one as well if you know how to trade weighted waves concept. Because we have a lot of structures here and a lot of setups within the same wave. And again, next week, I'll be conducting the Q&A session for March for WW Pro members. Do not miss it. It might be next Thursday. I'll confirm for you the date and time on social media and inside the Discord as well. All right. So the March Q&A session will be covered next week. Do not miss it to get access to it. Again, it's inside WW Pro. So for this one, again, I showed you the before and after. I showed you everything regarding gold. What's next? Looks like, guys, this will be pushing to the upside. All right. So even if this will go down, it will be just a corrective structure before the next up wave. For gold, we are still biased to the upside now based on what is happening. And this buy setup, it can take us all the way up to break this top once more. We have liquidity here, plus fundamentally geopolitics, dollar is falling. And all of this actually is signing for a corrective structure here and then another push up. Will this be one of our trades of the week? Join WW Pro to know during this Sunday session.